How to make an image or link in Squarespace quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make an image or link in Squarespace. So let's get into it. First of all, you can log into your Squarespace account and then you're going to select the website you want to edit. So I'm going to select this website right here. It will take me to my Squarespace editor. Select the page and then you will click on edit. Now we can edit our website. So we will select the image that we want to add the link to. Let's maybe go with this image right here. Let's say, click on the image and then you will get the edit option. Click on edit, scroll down a little bit and you will find the link option. Click on link, click on image, and then you will enter the link here. For instance, I can enter the link for our YouTube channel. Paste it right here, the link. Click on done, and now your image will work as a link to your YouTube channel, to your website, or any other page on this website. This is how you can make an image or link on Squarespace. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.